Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can simply select customize cursor for your Windows 11. Very simple to do that. First we're going to show you two websites. Like one is Open Cursor Library. There are a bunch of custom library you can see over here. You can simply select any of these and you can simply download it. And if I just show you, if I just download this cursor, click on download. As you can see, the file has been downloaded. So now I'm going to extract it, extract all, and here is all the file. So now what we can do, we can simply open our settings, then simply come over into Bluetooth and device, and then we're going to click on mouse. Then if we scroll down a little bit, here we're going to find out additional mouse settings. If you click on that, then here is another mouse properties windows will be open. Here we're going to select the pointers, and then here we're going to click on the browse around downloads folder. Here it is. Click on open it, and you can simply select any of these. Like if I just click on Dorito working in backgrounds, if I just select it, as you can see, here it is. So if I just click on apply and click on OK, and here you can see we can simply select it, click apply and click OK. You can see we changed our cursor over here like this. Also, there is another website over here. It's named Cursor Editor. So its specialty is it's so versatile website. You can simply pick any of image. Like if I just pick transparent spider and click enter. If I just click on the image, let's pick this one. Save it, and cursor editor come in, click on the import image, click on choose file, simply select this file, upload it. As you can see, it's look like this. So click on the transparent one, and now we can simply clear it. You can simply clear the black dots. So yeah, this is, as you can see right now, we completed it. If we just press the first example, as you can see, everything is right now moving. So now we're going to put the hotspot. The hotspot will be into the middle. You have to put it because whenever you click any of these, then you have need a pointer, a hotspot where the mouse clicks. Okay, after you can simply download the cursor, and as you can see, cursor.car is rightly downloaded. Here it is. So if I just cut it from here and simply go for our local C drive, simply go to Windows, and then here we're going to find out cursors. Here it is, and simply paste it over here like this. Click continue, and here is our cursor.car. So let's rename it to something like spider. Click continue, click yes for the permission, and now everything is done. And now we can simply go to our settings again, click on Bluetooth devices, click on mouse, and then click on accessibility additional mouse setting. Click on that, click on pointers, and then here simply click on browse, and from here you can simply find a bunch of file. So you're finding the spider, the scar is here. And if I just apply it, you can see that your cursor is likely looking like this. That's it. This is how we can simply customize your cursor in Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.